So another update on how the S&P 500 is looking and my thoughts as of right now. So pretty much we're at a very important point in this cycle right now, and it is going to see a turn of either one or two ways. But again, I'm favoring the downside right now unless the Fed changes something on Wednesday. That would positively impact this. But right now we're at a critical point. There's a lot of bears, a lot of bulls, a lot of stop losses here. So right now we are currently sitting at 28.78, which is at a very critical point in the technical analysis. This is a big resistance right now around the 28.80 mark. And one thing I would like to point out is during the sell-off after we passed this point, we attempted to hit it right here. We had one green day, okay, and then a major sell-off, okay, a major sell-off right here. So green, red, red, very big losses. And then right here again, we tried to hit it, and look what happened. Red, red, and now we have hit it again, okay? So if history repeats itself, we're going to see a good sized drop in price, okay? And especially right now with the bulls, I'm sure are setting a lot of stop losses below this point. If we see those get triggered, then we could see a very big move down if this happens again right here where we see a big sell-off at this point, okay? And I think it'll be greater than this one here. Especially if we break this EMA line. But on the other side of that, we have a lot of bears, I'm sure, setting their stop losses up here. And, again, there are a lot of different points up to this side and to this side. But I think there are more gains to be made on the downside. So if we do break above this level in this next week or the next few weeks or the next day, then I think we could see a lot of stop losses being hit right here and maybe even a big move up. And then, we'll see where it goes from here. This is kind of a very questionable area if we do make it up there. But right now I'm saying we have seen this line tested once we have broken it. We had a false break off of it right here before, and then it sold off, and then we hit resistance. And then we went way down, back up, resistance, way down, and now we are at resistance again. So this is a very critical point in where this is going to go, and I think we're going to see a big move, either way. Because as you can see here, this is a huge move, and then kind of a pushback, and then another one down. But this is kind of unprecedented. I think right now we will see something like this in the next few days, and then if this is broken and a few more resistance levels are broken, we could see a big move down, and again, I'm using the inverse ETFs here. Here's SPXS stock ticker, and this is the 3 times ETF, inverse ETF on the S&P 500, and this is where I could see a lot of gains coming to the positive side. And again, that's a risky trade. Make sure to do your own research. But as you can see, momentum here has been working its way up for a while. And I think in my opinion, we are set to see a jump here pretty soon. And that is what I have my eyes on at this point. And on the other side of that, if you are looking at the bullish side, we've got the ETF, the 3 times leverage for the S&P, which looks very similar to the S&P 500. But again, look at this. Hits it, goes down, hits it, goes down. I think we're going to hit it, and I think this is going to go down again. But that's just my opinion. I just wanted to let you guys know my opinion and where I stand right now. Leave comments if you want to say anything to me, share your opinion. Thanks for watching the video.